Hello. Oral presentation English level 2. 1. Introduce myself. 2. Talk about my trip experiencia in Cartagena. 3. Tell weather in Cartagena. 4. Recommendations if go to Cartagena. Hello, my name is Oscar Alberto Mogollón Lozano. I live in Rio Negro, Antioquia. El weather in Rio Negro is sunny. I am telecommunications student. In family are 2 dogs. He likes volleyball, reading and going to the movie. This to go Cartagena. In last month, we were in Cartagena. We were 4 days in an American hotel. In the morning, we ate arepa. After we went to the beach. Our lunch was finished. We finished while sitting. All we swam in the sea. In the night, we danced in the beach. El weather in Cartagena. El weather in Cartagena in the morning is freeze. In the afternoon is very sunny. And in night is very breezy. Recommendations. 1. It is necessary that people use glass. 2. It's essential that the visitors wears that to avoid skin burns. 3. It is important that the tourist uses fresh shorts. 4. She chose most chance pesos $4 to go in the place. 5. They owe to English sunscreens to protect for the sun. 6. At better start packing myself with good glasses for a knot. 7. She should not wear too many thick black shorts. 8. Should not take el cash money where we are going to travel. We should not people go on the place to visit las vacaciones. People should not with not sunscreens and cut to the beach for Cartagena. Very much. Thank you.